Hello friend, welcome back. Let's start to play with drawing in SwiftUI. Okay, so let's get rid of this one and how to draw a single line. We can use this pass and here is a closure. It returns a pass. Okay, so now when it's empty, everything compiles, and if we run it, yeah, we see an empty screen here. Now this pass is what we learned, is similar to what we learned before, like the UI Bezier pass. I think it is that. So we can use pass dot move to, right? X, like we'll start from 0 0 and pass dot add the line 2, not this one, add line 2, this guy, to let's use 200 to 300 y. Okay, so now we don't put the stroke here. Instead, we do stroke here. Dot stroke like that. This guy. Nothing happened here, so let's click resume here. Yeah, this is the line, right? Sometimes we can use this style. Okay, stroke. If we run it, we can see the same thing here. Yeah. Okay, now how can we add color for that? We can set the color like that. Color, no, color dot, for example, red. Okay, there's no automatically refreshing. Okay, let's do, okay, red. And what about the line width? The second parameter, line width. This is called modifier of this this view. Path is a view, so the body is a view. It's like here, everything is a view. So this is a protocol, and this is our view object. Okay, so line width, let's say 3. Yeah, cool. And oh, let me show you a trick. Say if you mess up with that, right? If you also like followed me using the like a Git for the source code management. So if we want, yeah, now if we do git status, right, it's modified. How can we roll back to like our original state? We can do this, right? Git git check out dot, like that. So this way, you see, when we check the status, is clean. Yeah. So the code already rolls back to the original one, and here, of course, we can. I'm not sure how to refresh that. There's no resume button here. So if we touch a little bit here, then if we do save, I think it's the the problem of Xcode. And what if we run it? Oh, so this time there's the resume button shows up. Yeah, okay, so that's the how we can easily roll back to the state when we made the last commit. Okay, now let's go back to our drawings business. This time, remember, yeah, pass, and this is a closure with parameter. So the closure provide a parameter pass, so we'll build the pass, and then we can do stroke like that here. Dot stroke. Dot stroke. Can we? So is it runnable? Just for fun. Yeah, the empty pass is still runnable. Okay, now let's draw a horizontal line. Pass dot move to point, right? Say let's go 20 and y 30 and pass dot at the line 2 like that. A horizontal line, so x, let's go 200 or 150, and y of course 30 like that. Where is my line? Okay, cool. So stroke, let's set a color here. Color, can we use color literal? Let's try color literal. Oh, there's no color literal here. Color literal, no. So we can just use color dot like red. This time let's use brown. Blue. What about purple? My favorite one. Okay, yeah, purple. So can we draw use for loop? Can we make a copy of that to draw the second line? I think so, right? So y plus 1 times say 10. Keep it easy. Yeah, cool. So here 30 plus 1 times 10. Cool. So let's use a for loop. Okay, for o. There's no for each. What's that? No. There's no autocomplete here. Okay, what happened? Can we put why this? Oh, maybe we cannot use for loop here. Yeah, we cannot use for loop here. Wow. So we have a workaround, we'll introduce later. So yeah, I think it's tricky to duplicate that, but don't worry about that. So the 2 lines. Okay, so how can we make it thicker? We can use the second line with 3, maybe 2. Okay, now can we draw a triangle? Let's try to draw a triangle. Okay, so a closed shape, and so pass dot move to. This time let's go to here, maybe 200, y 200, dot add line to point x 200 to here. Okay, so 300 and y maybe 400. Yeah, oh, we can see it. Cool. Now pass. I want to try if close, the function called close, works or not. So add line 2. Okay, CG point. Now let's go to the left. So x will be, say, 50. Of course, y has to be 400. Yeah, cool. Does it support close subpath? Yeah, it's called close subpath. Nice. Okay, and since there's no way to use for loop here, let's just manually add a bunch of line. Okay, so make it the gap bigger like that. So let's add 2 of them. Yeah, so 2 I'm doing manual for loop, so painful. Okay, so let's put a horizontal and here, right, triangle and vertical. Yeah, and what is the vertical? We'll start from here, right? Add a line to, yeah, here has to be 20, and the y will be 30 plus 60. So, oh, we can use that 3 times and 20. Yeah, nice. So we can just make a copy of that for the second one, right? Second one is this guy plus 1 times 20. Yeah, here 1 times 20. Nice. Now we just need to make a copy of that for a bunch of times. How many? I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. So 2, 3, 4. We need another 2. Okay, so paste. So here will be 5 and 6. Still too long. Oh, so let's make it shorter. This one, right? What about is it this one? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so this is the length. Okay, cool. I think it's good enough, right? We can still, right, we can create a path to draw those lines, and yeah, and eventually we stroke with purple color and line with 2. The whole thing here, right, is the object returned in this closure, which will be the view of the body. Oh, let's run it to see how it looks like on the simulator. Yeah, same thing here. And if we try the other simulator, let's take a look. A big one, this one, iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think the image will be small relatively. Is it? Let's try iPad. iPad Pro, yeah, this one. Make it smaller, yeah, because we use the absolute coordinates. Waiting, yeah, so I am right. Okay, so now let's make a commit so you friend can review, right? Can check out the code from from the GitHub server. Drew a grid and a triangle. Okay, so that's clean, and we can push. Cool. So thank you for watching. See you next time.